Hello everyone, my name is ATP and welcome back to another episode of our Testing Indicator series. In this video, we are taking a closer look at a brand new addition to the SuperTrend family, a tool that claims to outperform its ancestors by adding liquidity dynamics into the mix, the liquidity-weighted SuperTrend. In recent episodes, we have analyzed other SuperTrend variations, like the traditional one, the pivot point SuperTrend, and the machine learning adaptive SuperTrend. So far, the machine learning has proven to be the most effective. But will this new liquidity SuperTrend outperform it? That's exactly what we are here to find out. Over the next few minutes, we will analyze its accuracy and profitability across multiple assets and timeframes in a backtest with more than 5,000 trades. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here, and let's get started. Before we dive in, I want to give a quick shout out to the subscriber who suggested this indicator, so a big thanks to you. If any of you also want to share an indicator for me to test in a future episode, feel free to drop it in the comments or in my free Discord community, the link is in the description. Firstly, let's start by adding the indicator to our TradingView charts. First, click on Indicators, then type Liquidity Weighted SuperTrend, and you can use this option here by Caso, which is free. By definition, the Liquidity Weighted SuperTrend is an advanced trading indicator that enhances the traditional SuperTrend by combining liquidity, price action, and volume data into its calculations, offering more responsive and accurate trend signals. Designed for flexibility, it features aggressive and smoothed modes to adapt to both short and long-term trading strategies. By default, it uses these settings with the aggressive mode selected, but to reduce some fake signals, in today's analysis I will test this tool with the smoothed mode. This chart indicator is very simple to use because it displays the buy and sell signals directly on your charts, with these green and red arrows, which are quite precise as you can see. Now that we understand how the indicator works, let's move on to the backtest. For our testing, I will follow the same approach as usual. I will define our technical system, risk management rules, and testing conditions. The technical system will include using the liquidity-weighted SuperTrend in addition with the 200-period exponential moving average to filter out some fake signals. Here we have an example of a long position where the price is above the 200 EMA, and here you have a short trade example where the price is below this baseline. For the risk management, I will insert the ATR bands indicator with a multiplier of 2, which will help us set our stop loss levels based on market volatility. As for the testing conditions, we'll backtest the liquidity-weighted SuperTrend on the 30-minute, 1 hour, and daily timeframes using data from the last 24 months, so since November 2022 until November 2024, across a diverse asset portfolio, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, 3 currency pairs, gold, oil, the S&P 500 index, and the Apple stock. With everything set, let's dive into the backtesting process. While I could go back in time and test everything by hand, as probably all of you will do, I prefer to speed up this process. For that, I'm going to use my premium indicators testing bot, a trading tool that allows me to test hundreds of indicators and strategies in seconds and with real results. You can find more information about this tool and how to use it on my website algotradepro.com, along with a video that explains its features and benefits. Almost 200 traders are using this tool with great feedback, so it's definitely worth checking out. Once we have set all the conditions, including the liquidity-weighted SuperTrend, the 200-period EMA for baseline, and our risk management rules, the trading bot will execute every valid trade on the charts with a respective entry point, stop loss, and exit point. Also, you will see the monthly results displayed along with overall statistics for each asset in the Strategy Tester tab. And since I have the premium TradingView plan, I can download all the trades the bot executes, which I will use to create my trading journals with all the information about this strategy. I will speed up this part of the video, but feel free to slow it down in the YouTube settings if you want to catch every detail. I will see you in a few seconds. After inserting all the trades into my trading journal, I got an analysis of about 5,500 trades across the 3 different timeframes. In the 30-minute timeframe, after more than 3,500 trades, the liquidity-weighted SuperTrend got a win rate of 51.15% with a net profit of 219%. Here we have got some other stats like the Sharpe ratio, which has a decent value. And in this table, you can analyze the results of every single asset, where only 2 of them were unprofitable, the XRP and gold. Then the best ones were the AUD and ZD and the oil. Below we have the final equity curve, which despite being profitable wasn't very efficient, as it got this huge flat period with a big drawdown of 75%. Next, in the 1-hour timeframe, after 1,900 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of 50.88% and a net profit of 70%. Here you can find other important metrics, the results of every asset, where the oil was, one more time, the most profitable asset, and again, the equity chart was profitable but inconsistent. Finally, in the daily timeframe, after 94 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of 53% and a net profit of 14%. Based on this backtest, the liquidity-weighted SuperTrend can have good results in some assets, like oil and forex pairs, but when analyzing its overall robustness and adaptability, we can conclude that they are better indicators that can provide better results. However, it's important to note that these results are based on the specific conditions and settings I used for this test. If you change the conditions, settings, or even the assets, your results may change. So always test your strategies before putting them into practice. In this series, my objective is to test different indicators to discover which ones give us the highest probability of success. Once we identify those, we can use them to create more comprehensive strategies. After evaluating the liquidity-weighted SuperTrend alongside other indicators in this series, I have decided to place it below the machine learning adaptive SuperTrend on our rankings table. While it achieved better results than the traditional SuperTrend and the pivot point SuperTrend, it still falls short of the machine learning adaptive SuperTrend's superior performance. However, if you are a fan of the SuperTrend family, this liquidity-weighted version is definitely worth trying, especially for its innovative approach incorporating liquidity dynamics. This updated table is also available for free on my website, providing a comprehensive overview of all the indicators tested so far. Simply click on the free content option, scroll down a little bit and click here, where you can find all these details. Also, if you are interested in improving your trading skills or would like to work with me one-on-one, you can explore my services on my website as well. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.